Hey everyone, how's it going? So now that it's summer, I'm sure all of us have heard the ice cream truck going around. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an ice cream truck. So to start off with this, we're going to begin over here on our paper, and you just want to make a nice line that just goes down like this. Then up here, I'm going to add a little bit of a curve, and I'm just going to kind of go up at an angle. So you can see I didn't go straight across, I just kind of went up at an angle. Then I'm going to go up at an angle a little bit more right here just for the front of the truck. Now starting here, I'm going to add a little bit of a curve, and I'm just going to go straight across here for the top of the truck. Then when I get to about here, I'm just going to kind of curve it, and I'm just going to go straight down. And I want it to kind of line up with this line over here. Then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes over. And then I'm just going to put a little sad face right here for the spot for the tire. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over a little bit more. And then I'm going to make another sad face for the tire spot. And then I'm just going to connect it here. Now, inside of here, I want to make the tire. So starting here, I'm just going to put a nice big smiley face. And then another one right here. Then I'm just going to add a little circle on the inside of each one just for the little hubcap. Now, right here at the bottom, I'm going to kind of turn my paper a little bit, and I'm just going to make a little line that just goes right across the bottom of our ice cream truck. Now, we want to add a few details up here. So one of the first things I want to add is the windshield. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to go over, and then I'm just going to go up like this, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it back over. Now, starting right here at the top of the tire, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to go over, and then it's just going to come down like this for a little door. And then right inside of here, I'm going to add a square for a little window. Now, right over here, what I'm going to do is I just want to add a little line on top like this. And then I'm going to add two diagonal lines going down. Then I'm just going to connect it with a straight line across. Then I'm going to add two lines that go down here. And then another little straight line across for the window that you order from. And then I'm just going to make a little rectangle shape that goes right along here. Then up here, I'm just going to add some little lines that go down for the little details on the little kind of canopy up here. Now, in the front here, I'm going to add a little half circle for the headlights. And then on our door, I'm just going to add a little kind of oval shape for the handle. Now, on top of here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to go up, and then it's just going to go all the way down, and then it's going to come down here for the top of the truck. Now, we want to add some details onto our little ice cream truck. So one of the things up here is I want to add a little speaker so you can hear the music come out. So right here, I'm just going to add a little rectangle shape. And then I'm going to put a big circle on top of it. Then I'm going to make a diagonal line here, and then another diagonal line right here. We'll make this one a little taller. And then we're just going to add a little curved line here. Then I'm just going to add another little curved line right here. Now, on top of here, I want to put a big ice cream cone. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of turn my paper a little bit, and I'm just going to make a little line that goes right above the top of the truck. Then I'm going to make this come to a point, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line. I'm going to go a little bit taller. And then I'm just going to make a nice line that goes down to connect it, and then one more right here. Then right here, I'm going to add a big kind of curved line that goes around for the top of my ice cream. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that kind of curves up, and then it's going to go out like this. And then it's going to come to a point and then kind of curve back. Then I'm just going to add two little lines here and two little lines here just to kind of show that the ice cream is being held up. And there you go. There is your drawing of an ice cream truck. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.